Well, hello there. Happy Friday, everyone, on this January the 16th. And we were hoping for some good weather for the weekend. It's not going to be bad, but we are going to start off with some rain that's coming through right now. 54 now in Jackson, 52 in Memphis, where we've got a little bit more of that rain-cooled air coming in there. But notice temperatures right now, 52 right now in Jackson, 55 right now in Savannah, 45 in Union City. So temperatures well above freezing. So as we've been mentioning, about 98% of this is going to come in as a cold rain. But again, that freezing level down less than 2,000 feet up there. So we could see a few ice pellets mix at times. But again, the ground's going to be too warm. We're going to be above freezing for any problems. Looking at the radar here over the last hour or so, you can see that rain really starting to move into like Ripley, Dyersburg. I was looking at the weather cam there in Martin. The parking lot is wet, and those big drops coming down as the students are trying to get into school, making a beeline to get inside there. That cold rain hits us on that very uncomfortable set of temperatures as well. In the big picture, you can see this is one front coming through. It's going to be a weak front, and we had that warm front lift in overnight and kept us a little milder last night. But that second cold front a little further north, that's what's going to blast in here tomorrow and really begin to return us back to some of that bitter cold. But until that gets here, we're going to be hovering, right at freezing or well above freezing during the daytime. That first front just on the doorstep there in the Boot Hill of Missouri, the rain right out in front of it there. But some of you have been lucky. Look here near the Tennessee River, Savannah, you guys have managed to keep some sunshine in here most of the day. But people in Dyersburg, back over to Martin and Troy and places like Ripley, not as lucky. We've had the clouds coming in today, haven't we? And some rain at times making its way in. Huntington, starting to see the clouds taking over there as well. And as we go through the rest of this afternoon, evening, we'll drop out of those 50s. But notice how it's going to be a slow drop in temperatures. That's because this first front, we're calling it the fake front. It's really weak. It's not going to do much. It's mainly just bringing the lift for some rain in here. But even at 1 a.m., we're only going to be still at 35, 2 a.m. about 34. So it's really going to be on into around sunrise before we start to see those temperatures getting down into those upper 20s, low 30s. Here's your overnight lows. So it's going to be a little milder than it's been over the last couple of mornings. Wind chills, though, because we're going to have those winds ripping at times. Still going to be feeling more like the low to mid 20s out there come morning. And then we'll be back above freezing tomorrow afternoon in the upper 30s north to the low 40s central and south sections. So again, some snow flurries expected throughout the day, but we're going right back above freezing, so no problems anticipated there in the travel arena. We've been fortunate. We have not had much in the way of any wintry precipitation. This is not the big one. Far from anything like that. I'm just not seeing a big winter system that's going to drop inches of snow anytime soon. But again, we'll probably get to see a few scattered areas of flurries out there. For today, topping out about 51. That rain comes in this afternoon through the evening hour. Most of the moisture is gone by the time we get to the freezing mark late, or I should say early in the morning. But there could be a few lingering areas of stray snow flurries out there, and some of those on and off flurries could be in the areas we head into tomorrow as well. Here comes the bitter Arctic cold again with that Clipper system. 17 for Saturday night, 36 for the high on Sunday, but 24 for the low, and look at 14 for the low on Monday. And we will start to moderate a little bit as we head towards the end of next week. Could be some rain in the making as well. That's a look at your weather. Have a great rest of your afternoon and evening. We'll see you back for the next one.